So I have here an electric hot plate for cooking. So I'm going to take it out and I'm going to use it to cook some food. So I got out of the box. It comes with some nice instructions. I'm just going to finish taking the things off of it so I can use it. So the knobs are very simple, easy to use. You just turn it and it has different heat settings. You can go all the way to max here, and then to turn off, you just turn it all the way off. So when you turn it on, this light will turn on. It will stay on until it reaches the temperature it needs to be. And once it reaches the temperature, the light will turn off. So I got some pans on here. Now I'm going to turn the heat on. I'm just going to start it at like a medium heat, and then I can turn it down or turn it up as needed. And it's going to heat up really quickly. So I got them preheated. So now I'm going to put on my steak here and start cooking these on this side. So as the steak is cooking, I'm going to cook 2 eggs on this side. So this is not picky about the pots that you put on it. You can use aluminum pots, iron pots, clay pots. So anything can be used on here, which is really nice. So unlike induction cooktops, you can only use iron pots. So this one is the best choice because you can use anything. So this electric hot plate worked really well. My food is done, ready to eat. So now I just need to take it off, put it on my plate, and I can eat my food. So I recommend this electric hot plate for cooking. It cooked my food really nicely. It warmed up perfectly and worked really well.